Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how you can add a wet signature session to your journal within BlueNotary. So here we are on our BlueNotary homepage, and we're going to go to New Session. And so we're going to go to Wet Signature here. Wet signature sessions are when you're recording a real in-person notary session in your electronic journal. So you don't want to write it down. You want to have it in an online place where you can always access it. Someone comes to you for a notary session, or you're a mobile notary and you're putting the information that happened in the real world here electronically. Here at the top, we have our signer's details. So we'll want to put their name, their email address, their physical address, their phone number, and their authentication details, how you identified them when they met you in person. You can also add additional signers and witnesses if they were there at the physical session. Moving down, we can add the signing details. What type of notarization was this? Was there any sort of identifier for this session? The document number, for example, if there was a number on the document that needed to be referenced. You can put the signing location, where you physically met this signer at when you signed the document, the date, the time zone. If you had to ship the document afterwards, you can put delivery tracking here, and you can put the status. You can also add your invoice details. Let's say you had an invoice number or they paid you in a certain way. You can also put the signing fee, how much you charge them for this in-person notarization. And as an additional way for you to remember what happened in this in-person notarization, you can upload the document. You can scan it and upload it here just for your records. And then you press save. And this will be saved to your journal in BlueNotary. And you would go here to your journal and it would show up with all the details of the signing. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bring your notarizations online with BlueNotary.